All right, Friday night. February the 5th. Had a little bit of rain today, and we got extensive flooding again. Second rain, second flooding. Water running across about an inch, inch and a half high right here. And it's all coming from right over here. I'm gonna get soaking wet here just to show you. I'm stepping in about 6 inches of water in places. It's coming under the fence, silk fence, like crazy. You can hear it coming through here. The crazy thing is, it's super high here. There's nothing hardly in the pond or the retention hole, whatever you want to call it, next door. This is Patrick Cowan's property over here, and it's destroying mine.